Let's see what's on the news.
Breaking news.
A tornado is coming.
So you better hide in your basement.
More news coming up after these commercials.
Oh my god, a tornado is coming? Bunzo Bunny, please come here. We gotta hide in the basement. Meanwhile, in Pug-a-pillar's room. Since my family is in the basement, I am going to stop the tornado. Ha 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 ha. There it is. Now time to go and stop it. Time to destroy this tornado. Hey, Pug-a-pillar, did you destroy the tornado? Yes. Wow, thanks for destroying the tornado. This means you are ungrounded. Go do whatever you want. Yay! But guess who got grounded? Oh my god, Faker Sky. How dare you create a tornado? That's it. You're grounded for 9 million centuries. Go to your room right now. Wah!